One of the questions we get asked a lot is about the flange and how that is all integrated into our shower bases. So with the custom shower bases, our goal was to make the perfect shower base that could never leak. And we've accomplished that by adding our flange on the outside. Now the flange is 2 1/4 inches high. You can see it sits above the threshold and above the shower pan itself. And what's good about that is when you're installing the shower base, your water board will come up to the edge of this, and then you'll have your tile or your whatever substrate you're using as the surface of the shower will go down to the shower pan. And what's good about that is when a caulking bead is run here, if it ever breaks, water can maybe sneak through here, but it'll never travel upwards. And so then you have a leak-proof shower that water will never get behind into the walls. And so that is the integrated flange.